So while I'm waiting for that first coat of stain to dry, what I want to do is start preparing the neck. So my plan for the neck is to use a natural oil finish on the back, so wipe on poly or something like that, and black on the face, just like you might see on a typical Gibson guitar. So the idea is, I think I'll use a solid color first, so I'll mask off the fretboard and the binding. There's no binding on this guitar actually, so that's good. But I'll mask off the fretboard. I'll then mask off the neck on the sides and underneath, and then spray a flat black color on top. And the reason I'm doing it in that order is the paint's going to be easier to remove if we do get anything creeping under the masking tape that we put in place. That'll be much easier to sand than a stain, which will absorb into the timber more obviously. So just taking some trusty masking tape again, just sit the guitar neck up and run some masking tape along that edge. Okay, so I've got the LPJ guitar neck up here. As I said, I want to give a flat black finish to the top of the headstock. So I've got a black gloss here. This is a paint and prime, so I'm not going to bother priming first. So I'll just shake the bottle up, I'll shake the can up. Now after you hear the rattle in the can, you generally want to shake it up for about a minute. I've already given this a fairly good shake, so I'll get straight into painting. So of course, wear your mask. Now unfortunately it's a pretty windy day, but this is a fairly small surface area to paint, so I'm hoping we'll get away with it. I'd probably look to apply 3 coats, so I'll do 1 coat, wait about 3 minutes, do a second, then do a third. What you're looking to do, if the paint's still tacky, still wet, the next coat will have something to adhere to. If not, if you do leave it for 24 hours, just give it a light sanding between coats. When you're painting a solid colour like this, what you want to do is hold the guitar, or hold the bottle on an angle so that the fan spreads out nicely. And you're just going right across, starting before and finishing after, and overlapping each run of the spray by about 50%. Okay, now just ready to spray our second coat. Let's give the bottle a good shake again. Put on my mask. And same again, except I'll probably apply a little bit heavier this time. Okay, so just about to spray my third coat. A couple of things just to keep in mind. I've got some boiling water down here. These nozzles can clog up a little bit, especially on second, third application. So what I do is generally dip the nozzle in the boiling water and just spray out, and that means it won't get large droplets or build up around the nozzle. So I'll just do my third coat now. This will be the final coat. I'll put this on a little bit heavier again.